Hello and welcome to this ToolManageriQ tip video. If you don't already know, ToolManageriQ can import tools and holders from GibbsCAM into its database, and then at any time while you're programming, you can export those tools and holders into your program very quickly. Now, most people will save tools and holders separately, and they will export a tool and then find the holder in the holder section and export that. But you can actually create assemblies as well. And all you have to do is just have a tool holder applied when you save it into the database. Here you can see my tool holder is a standard GibbsCAM tool holder. But you can also do this if it's a fully custom tool holder as well. I'm making sure that's applied, and then I'm highlighting the tool and I'm importing it from GibbsCAM into ToolManageriQ. Because that holder is already applied, it knows to pair these, and you can see it in the image here as well. If it's a standard holder in the Gibbs database, usually it's defined in here, and you will not have any items in the holder section. It'll just appear in the tool itself. And if it's a custom holder, normally an entry will be created inside of the holders section. Now, either way, those guys will be paired. So the next time that I want to export that tool, I find it in the list. You can use groups or filters as well. I export to GibbsCAM, and those are already paired. Thank you for watching this video.